What's the meaning of combust? Combust. Combust.
Combust. Combust. The verb combust means to catch fire and burn. When a material undergoes combustion, it reacts with oxygen in the air to produce heat, light, and various chemical byproducts such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. Combustion is an exothermic process, meaning that it releases energy in the form of heat and light. Depending on the material and conditions involved, combustion can produce different levels of heat and intensity of flame, ranging from a small, controlled flame in a gas stove to a raging inferno consuming an entire building.